position 1.
So this core position, Dawn, is not as good as you normally have it, but obviously that's because we've not got the TV there where you can have a look at yourself, or the mirror. It's certainly not bad, but for your standard, it's not as good as you can do. So clearly, as you'll be able to see, I'm not sure if you've seen this video or not yet, that obviously your husband took, but you know, your back there is just lacking a little bit of strength, as you can see there when I draw that square. And also look, you know, you've just got that going on slightly. I'm being really fussy here now, but you know me. So you just need to square that back off. That's only position 1, relaxed, and we're just losing that bit of strength in your back. Remember when I say to you, if you were to sit in the saddle and have a nice straight arched back, you wouldn't sit like that, would you? You know? So that's the first thing. And then we go to position 2, where you get lower and tighter to the horse. So it's equivalent of kind of making headway in a race. You're just getting tighter and squeezing, but again, muscle memory, so we keep completely still. And obviously, you're doing that same thing, holding that same posture, because you think the first posture is okay, and we've just got that weak kind of back going on. Again, you know, I want to be seeing a lot stronger back, which would result into something like that more, you know. Again, if you were sat down in the saddle with your back really arched straight, sat up really nice and straight, you know, your back would be a lot more straight and a lot stronger. So then we go on to stage 3, the pushing. And this isn't too bad. We've got this kind of staying nice and still. You're kind of low enough. You start off just squeezing. We'll do a bit of slow motion, bit of squeezing, and I expect to see you build up where you get a full extension there, and we don't quite have that. It's kind of like that, instead of being, you know, nice and straight with that head tucked in. So you've got your kind of arms nearly around your ears. But that's the kind of the fastest you're getting out of that horse at the end. And you tuck up nicely, but when we go for the full drive, you're now kind of fully extended there, which is good. We've now got nearly a straight line, be it a straight line, but get that head tucked in. If that head was tucked in and your arms were kind of around this bit here, we wouldn't be seeing your ear, and then that would be tucked in a lot nicer. Hence then this being just that little bit smaller, you know, a little bit lower I should say. But overall, good Dawn. You just want to tuck in that little bit more at the end when you're giving it the full kitchen sink, as I say, and just tuck that head in. So you're at the full drive now, nicely tucked up with the horse. The horse loads up, you're loaded up. But as you load, unload, get that head tucked in. Apart from that, all really good. This is staying nice and parallel. This is definitely still enough. So just those kind of 2 points really. Get that head tucked in, and with your core kind of strengthening the bit where you're keeping still and working on your core strength. Really look at that back. Get that back. Is the right word concave? You just want to be. You want to have that back a lot stronger. But apart from that, really good. Keep up the good work, and we'll see you Sunday.